Though, as humans, we do not find ourselves living in the jungle as animals, some of the rules of the jungle do apply to us. Survival is for the fittest. In this case, survival is for the most advanced in preparation. Often at times disaster strikes us. The only way we can navigate our way out of such disaster is through having been adequately prepared for such an occurrence. Might you by chance have a rough idea on how it could be possible for you to survive or be able to feed your family while in the collapse, ensuring that they make it and stay alive for the survival days? Click the link in the description below this video for details. Are you ready to acquire knowledge of storage of food, water among other basic needs for handling of the crisis without necessarily loss of your confidence? You can be able to harvest actually more compared to traditional gardens, so that in the event of crisis, feeding yourself together with your family is no challenge at all. You have a guarantee on having the chance to eat not only the tastiest but also the most nutritious and healthiest food to save each and everyone's life with this survival farm incorporated in your backyard. My Survival Farm is an excellent program that has been well designed to come up with a survival garden. A garden that can be hidden from hungry looters, people roaming by the roadside, and very well from your neighbors. This is to ensure that no one will be able to realize that you are growing a chain supply of healthy foods in the backyard. Not to be selfish, but it is for your own survival. My Survival Farm will provide you with the opportunity to grow veggies, medicinal plants and fruit trees for living together and support every person from any crisis. Through it, you are going to have a guide on the growing of spinach, potatoes, berries, carrots, beans, just to mention but a few. The number of fruit trees and plants that are all in autopilot and regenerative mode is actually in the hundreds. The trial of this program to demonstrate to you how building this survival garden is possible in easy setup and begin its maintenance with stepwise instructions that any person can be able to follow and realize best results in a matter of days. The aim of my Survival Farm is being able to teach you how you can live in such a system. Not only will you be living but also thriving and surviving at a time when the rest of the people are suffering. Click the link in the description below this video for details.